Caesar 1.7.4. Caesar, because, now this is the because one. This is not the relative pronoun here. He kept in his memory, I'm going to put the long mark over here, the macron, because that's ablative, and this is an idiom, right? This just means to remember. Because he remembered that, okay, because we're going into indirect statement. So we're going to do subject accusative, verb infinitive. So here is our subject accusative. Right there. Lucius Cassius the consul, ocissum esse, he leaves that out because that's the way he writes. Subject accusative, verb infinitive. Which infinitive is this? Ocissum esse? Perfect passive inf. Perfect passive infinitive there. And the enclitic conjunction, his army, pulsum esse. Uh-oh, he left out esse again. Another perfect passive infinitive right there. Going off the page practically. Perfect passive infinitive. His army was beaten by the Helvetii. Oh, that doesn't sound good. And misum up. He did it again. Misum esse. Another perfect passive infinitive. If you can't find a perfect passive infinitive in this sentence, brother. And sent sub jugum, under the yoke. This is a yoke. You can actually see that yoke is a derivative of jugum. So this jugum is like an iron bar that's set up on two posts, and you have to like crawl underneath it, right? On your hands and knees. And this is a sign of submission. So all the Gauls, are there watching you, and you're crawling under the bar. You're being sent under the yoke. Very humiliating. Putabat, he thought, concedendum non. Guess what he forgot? Esse. He thought it shouldn't be granted. Okay? Ooh, this is a gerundive. And the gerundive plus a verb to be equals the passive, brace yourself, periphrastic. The passive, and in fact, it's called the future passive periphrastic. The gerundive, it's an adjective. If you forget that, I'll never forgive you. You get the gerundive, form of the verb to be, future passive periphrastic. Inside, indirect statement. So we want to use the conjunction again. That, he thought that it shouldn't be yielded. He shouldn't yield. So in other words, Caesar's got a grudge because the Gauls once beat this guy, the consul Cassius, humiliated his army. So he's thinking, nah, you're not going through Provence.